Have you ever thought about the sensation of embarking on an adventure into the notorious, perhaps slightly dangerous territory known as Slab City, California? A place where the unusual societal norms are not the norm. Join us as we give you an unfiltered glimpse of the unforgettable experience at this notorious site. In this video, we will dive into the history, safety measures, and the vibrant community that thrives in Slab City. As we departed from our boondocking spot near the southern border of Joshua Tree National Park, our next destination was Yuma, Arizona. For the past 5 years, I have frequently came across mentions of the unconventional and notorious boondocking site called Slab City on YouTube. And since we were going right past this site, we couldn't help but check it out. Recently, this place has gained a reputation with rumors of lawlessness and an alternative way of life circulating on the internet. As we approached, uncertainty filled our minds about our safety in this distinctive place. In the heart of the desert, where the scorching sun meets the barren earth, lies a place that defies life as we know it. Slab City, California is a haven for the forgotten, the misunderstood, and the resilient souls who have chosen to call this their home. As we arrived, we found dilapidated trailers and weathered slabs of concrete. We also found a vibrant community bound by a shared sense of freedom and a refusal to conform to what we all call the societal norms. We also found that in the face of adversity, they find solace in the simplicity of their existence, embracing the raw beauty of their surroundings. Slab City is a testament to the human spirit, a reminder that life's true riches lie not in material possessions, but in the connections we forge and the resilience we display. Slab City, located in the Sonoran Desert, in southeastern California, is a unique community that has captured the curiosity of many adventurous souls. Slab City traces its roots back to Camp Dunlap, a Marine air base established during World War II. After the base was decommissioned, the concrete slabs that served as foundations for the military buildings were left behind, giving rise to the name Slab City. Camp Dunlap, established in 1942, played a crucial role in training Marines during World War II. This base was home to thousands of servicemen who trained in the desert before being deployed overseas. Once the war ended, the military presence diminished, and the land was eventually abandoned. The remnants of Camp Dunlap's concrete slabs became the foundation for the boondocking community that would emerge in the following years. One of the most iconic landmarks in Slab City is Salvation Mountain, a testament to faith and creativity. Created by Leonard Knight, the vibrant and intricately painted mountain stands as a symbol of love and devotion. Visitors from all over the world are drawn to this unique work of art, which serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration within the community. Despite its reputation as an unconventional and off-grid community, Slab City is not without safety measures. While it may lack traditional law enforcement, residents have established their system of self-governance. The community looks out for one another, fostering a sense of security and unity. Although the area may appear safe, the community once had a murderer. However, this is not uncommon for communities of similar size. Poe Delwyn Black, a 21-year-old male, tragically lost his wife while living in Slab City. Before his death, Poe's partner reported him missing, and his body was later found in a canal by 2 Coachella Valley Water District employees. Initially, the cause of the death was inconclusive, but further investigation revealed that Poe was a victim of homicide. The police suspected that the perpetrator, known as Knives, left Slab City with Poe's partner. Despite exhaustive efforts, the case remains unsolved. Since then, there has only been one recorded murder in Slab City. When considering whether Slab City is a safe place for you and your family to boondock, it is essential to weigh the available information and make an informed decision. Slab City is often called the last free place on earth due to its lack of regulations and societal norms. Slab City offers a glimpse into a way of life that challenges societal norms and embraces the freedom and self-expression. From its origins as a retired Marine Air Base to the vibrant boondocking community it is today, Slab City continues to captivate and inspire those seeking a different kind of journey. Leaving this unconventional community behind, I am reminded of the resilience and resourcefulness that exist in the most unlikely places. Slab City, with its makeshift homes and eccentric inhabitants, challenges our notion of what it's meant to live a meaningful life. It forces us to question the boundaries of community, the pursuit of happiness, and the true essence of freedom. As I drive away, I carry with me a renewed curiosity about the human spirit and an appreciation for the unconventional paths that some choose to walk. Here's my final take on Slab City and the boondocking lifestyle. During the daylight hours, it's a place that warmly embraces visitors. However, as night descends, the dynamics shift considerably. If you're journeying with your loved ones, I would highly recommend seeking an alternative location for your overnight boondocking to ensure everyone's safety. So remember, embrace the unexpected, explore with caution, and let the beauty of boondocking guide your path. Happy adventuring! Thanks for watching, and remember to boop that subscribe button for more exciting outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy travels and happy camping!